are approaching the station. Please stay seated now in your seats until Casey comes to a complete stop.
Ah, we're finally gonna be home. And now we are heading now home, so we're now arriving to the station. See guys, back home, safe and sound in the station. Yeah, and for now, we're now be back on the station for safe and sound. Well guys, I guess I'm gonna have to go. See ya. So long, Leo, and take care of yourself. Well, see ya around, guys. Come on, Leo. Let's go home so we can go out for dinner. Well, I guess I'm starving. Yeah, let's get home and wash and get some dinner. Well, let's head home. Yeah, finally. And right now, we are now back home at last. And now we are head home. So we are having nice there. And now we are safe at last. And for now, thanks to you, Eric Speed Demon.